The new Audi A6L e-tron with a range of over 700 kilometers and laser radar attracted great attention at the auto show. The Audi A6L e-tron was officially introduced and shown to the public at the 2025 Shanghai International Auto Show. Developed and produced on the basis of the Volkswagen Group's PPE pure electric platform, this new car is mainly positioned as a pure electric medium and large sedan. In terms of exterior design, the Audi A6L e-tron has chosen a semi-closed design style. The original air intake grille has been replaced by a smoked trim panel, and is equipped with a split headlight assembly and an illuminated Audi logo. The upper part is equipped with dynamic multi-module LED daytime running lights that support the digital light signature graphic change, while the lower part is a matrix-type adaptive high and low light source. The design of the rear taillights adopts second-generation digital OLED light source technology. The internal structure of the taillight assembly consists of 10 OLED panels. Each digital OLED panel consists of approximately 45 light-emitting modules. There are a total of 450 light-emitting modules, on which various graphic designs can be displayed. In addition, the taillights feature a new feature called the interactive light function, which can send early warning information to other road users about accidents or malfunctions. In emergency road conditions, the interactive taillights can also display certain static taillight styles along with warning signs. In addition to the basic functions, the Audi A6L e-tron is also equipped with Huawei's exclusive mapless assisted driving system, which combines dual laser radar and visual fusion sensing technology. The system supports segment-by-segment navigation-assisted driving on NOA highways/urban road sections and valet parking/memory parking functions, suitable for complex parking and exit scenarios in single-story/multi-story car parks/open parking lots, and also has various L2 assisted driving options, such as automatic lane changing at highway speeds and following vehicles in urban traffic jams. As for the interior design, the Audi A6L e-tron adopts Audi's latest family design concept, which is in line with the interior arrangement of the new C9 Audi A6. The console section features a 4-spoke flat-bottom steering wheel and curved dual screens. The screen includes an 11.9-inch LCD instrument cluster and a 14.5-inch central control display, as well as a 10.9-inch co-pilot entertainment display. In addition, this new car also features a push-pull electronic shift system and an AR HUD head-up display system that supports navigation and superposition of real roads. At the same time, the planned navigation path on the co-pilot display will be synchronized with the AR HUD. The panoramic roof window has a 9-zone dimmable design, supports 4 preset modes, and can quickly switch to different transparencies. The front seat mobile phone also has a wireless charging function, and there are also configuration options such as multicolor dynamic ambient light. When we look at the in-car systems, the Audi A6L e-tron is equipped with Audi's latest MMI, UI/UX interaction system and Qualcomm Snapdragon 8295 chip. The system supports 5G networks, Wi-Fi access points, smart navigation, AutoNavi/Baidu, Tencent, multimodal interaction, dynamic 3D vehicle models and smart AI voice recognition system, emotional avatar voice interaction image. The system, developed with domestic sensor technology, can control many functions in the vehicle by voice. In addition, in order to increase the user experience of domestic consumers, many domestic applications such as iQIYI, Huawei Video, Volcano Car Entertainment, Bilibili, Kuo Music, Kuga Music, NetEase Cloud Audio and in-car KTV have been integrated into the vehicle system in the Audi A6L e-tron. There are 5 seats in the vehicle as a seat design, and these seats are made of Dynamica microfiber material and genuine leather material. The seat frame is also made of magnesium alloy, which provides support and reduces its weight by 30%. In terms of power units, the Audi A6L e-tron is equipped with a single motor at the rear, maximum power output of 265 kilowatts, torque of 515 Nm and acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour in 5.7 seconds, and dual motors at the front and rear. System combined power output of 405 kilowatts. System combined torque of 940 Nm and acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour in 4.5 seconds. In terms of battery life and energy regeneration efficiency, the Audi A6L e-tron is equipped with a 107 kWh ternary lithium battery pack, which provides a pure electric range of 770 km with the CLTC. In addition, the Audi A6L e-tron is equipped with 800-volt charging technology, which means that 300 km of power can be recovered with just 10 minutes of charging, and charging from 10% to 80% takes 20 minutes.